I remember reading news articles about how places had started to request handmade cotton masks. So I was like, oh, well, I have a plenty of fabric and I can sew, and I'm just kind of sitting here not doing anything but homework. That's a no-brainer. I'm going to start now. And I saw a Facebook group where people were coming together to sew masks in my area, Farmington Valley, Connecticut. Healthcare practitioners or their family members in our area can join the group and then fill out a Google form requesting the number of masks, the type of mask that they could use. For the most part, we've been getting requests from area hospitals, clinics, primary care, urgent care. We've gotten a lot from first responders too, so police stations, fire departments. It probably takes me like anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes to make a mask. Getting the fabric, cutting it down to the right size, pinning it together, sewing it together. I usually have been adding a pipe cleaner for a nose piece so that way it fits a little bit tighter and offers a little bit more protection around the nose. They can reuse the mask, they can wash it every day. They aren't as effective, but they're kind of the best option we have, considering the other options are re-wearing the disposable masks for an entire weekend, taking it home in a paper bag, or wearing nothing at all. Even though these are scary, awful, and frustrating times, I think it's been really awesome to see just kind of the good, positive stories that are coming out of this. Just like in the matter of 10 days, we have over 800 members, 1,300 masks distributed, plenty more on the way. A lot of requests have come in. It's been kind of incredible to see, and it's been really uplifting and inspiring to see what a community that cares can do when it really matters.